I'm Kimberly, this is James, and we live in Brunswick West in Melbourne.
Kim and I got married almost exactly a year ago.
We live in this small 2-bedroom apartment, and then fitting a baby into the mix as well is going to be a whole other challenge.
We've had to think about storage in the bedroom space.
Can't really just be packing extra stuff around the baby. The thing about our bedroom at the moment is that it's a very utilitarian space. We use it to sleep and to get dressed, and that's about it.
And it's not even good at those things, I would say.
I would describe our current storage setup as borderline non-existent. James's solution for his underpants and socks is plastic supermarket bags that live under the bed. So we have all this stuff and none of it goes together.
The bedroom doesn't feel like a restful space. It's a fluorescent light.
We call it the murder light.
It just sort of flashes as if it were from a horror movie. I like to get up and get out of there as soon as I possibly can.
Absolutely amazed. I love the space. I find it so much more relaxing than our previous room.
I honestly couldn't believe it when we walked in for the first time. It was a completely transformed space.
Last night's sleep was probably the best sleep I've had this year.
The blinds and the curtains, the way they block out the light from the light well just outside, I think I fell asleep pretty much instantly when I got in here.
The linens, absolutely amazing. They were so comfortable. Both me and Kim suffer from quite bad allergies, but in this space, absolutely no issues. Basil definitely is very much settled into the space.
In terms of lighting, we have more of it now, but we can control all of it.
With the new storage solutions, everything has its own place and everything is visible. Just open up the shoe storage solution, whack a pair of shoes on, head straight out the door, perfect. It's an amazing space.
We'll be able to feel a little bit calmer and hopefully that'll rub off on the baby too.
Your sleep and the baby's sleep are both so important, and I feel like we can get that with this space.
We feel really lucky.
Super lucky.